Alright guys, I got something for some specialties for those special delivery. Like Santiago just gave that to me. And this is what for the US postage page for the 33, not the 33, $3.33. Okay, see what we have here. Let's go ahead and that pack. Check this out. This is the taste for Living World Cookbook. Here's the tag on mine for that. This is more of my Milken's favorite recipes for fighting cancer and heart disease. It was by Beth Ginsberg and Mike Milken, with preface by Martha Stewart. Like so many 100 pages, and many for their multiple color photographs. You can't believe this on this cookbook. We got plenty of pages. 100 pages, more than 100 pages. On the back of that, it tells you what you can choose. Any main dishes, appetizers, entrees, even dessert. I'm going to give you guys for this sample. And just to, how much you got the cookbook requirements are you? It's plenty of that. But thank you so much, Santiago. Very appreciate that. So if you're interested, write me a comments below. We'll always report change. Subscribe my channel, Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment on my YouTube channel. Click the bell to see all notifications about new videos and the latest video. Give a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, I hope you enjoy. Thank you much for watching.